In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set your Wix website into vacation mode. You're going to need to begin your process by going to the Wix App Market. In the search box, you need to input vacation mode. This will provide you with a list of apps that can assist you during your vacation period. Within this list, you have the freedom to select an app that suits your specific requirements. A few of such apps include the vacation mode, show notices, or alternatively, you can even consider a third-party app. Keep in mind that some apps provide more advanced features, such as the ability to continue accepting orders while you're away, and scheduling delivery dates if you have Wix stores. To activate your chosen app, you need to install it on your website. Then it's time to configure it for your use. Proceed by navigating to your site's dashboard, where you can find the settings for your new vacation mode app. In the settings, you are called to set the start and end dates for your vacation. This helps the app to automate your operation schedules so that it aligns with your absence. Furthermore, you can customize your site banner to inform visitors about your temporary unavailability. This involves choosing a theme, layout, and animation that align with your brand and effectively communicate your message. If you operate a Wix store, you need to go to the Store Checkout section within the app settings. You're granted two options in this section. You can either choose to block the entire checkout process for the duration of your vacation, or alternatively, you can show a warning message that informs your visitors about potential order processing or delivery delays. After making this decision, you're then required to customize the warning or blocking message according to your needs. This message should be clear and concise to prevent any miscommunication with your visitors. The next setting you can adjust is where the vacation mode banner should be displayed. You can choose to display it only on the homepage, or you can have it appear on every page. Finally, make use of the preview function within the app settings to observe how your banner and other settings will be seen by your site's visitors. This review is a critical step, as it ensures all settings are correctly configured for effective use before your vacation begins. That concludes the tutorial on how to set up your website's vacation mode on Wix. I hope you found this guide helpful and wish you a relaxing vacation.